Hi, group 2 and 3. Both groups are going to have the same spelling list for the test. Your first word is bookcase. Please make sure you return your books to the bookcase. Bookcase. Number 2 is downstairs. Remember to be at a voice level 1 as you walk downstairs. Downstairs. Number 3 is bookworm. Some people call Miss Freeman a bookworm because she loves to read so much. Bookworm. Number 4 is snowplow. After all the snow we got, the streets needed a snowplow. Snowplow. Number 5 is sunlight. During the day, our classroom gets lots of sunlight through the windows. Sunlight. Number 6 is downpour. If you looked outside, it was raining so hard. Some might call it a downpour. Downpour. Number 7 is cookbook. I'm trying a new recipe for dinner tonight, but I need to look at the cookbook to make it. Cookbook. Number 8 is scrapbook. Every year, my mom and I make a new scrapbook and fill it with pictures. Scrapbook. Number 9 is head first. Going down the water slide, my sister went down head first. Head first. Number 10 is headphones. When you go on your math app, you will need your headphones. Headphones. Number 11 is lightweight. There was nothing in her backpack, so it felt very lightweight. Lightweight. Number 12 is snowstorm. We didn't have school 2 weeks ago because of a snowstorm. Snowstorm. Your last word is a surprise word. Your surprise word, number 13, is notebook. When you do your writing sort, you will need to get out your notebook. Notebook.